Hello people, once again I'm back with another food review. Obviously, because this is Tom's Food Reviews, I'm not going to be reviewing paintball guns. Today, I'm doing French fries. Not from a fast food restaurant. I'm reviewing the Texas Hot once again. The local restaurant in my town. Again, I've had these a million times. I'm very fond of them. They're very good. But I'm going to review them, see how they are today. You know, it really just depends on who's making the food, and it depends on the day, really. I mean, so, because like anywhere, I'm not singling this restaurant out or anything. I've had good and bad at multiple restaurants, probably almost every restaurant that I've been to for multiple times. So it just depends. So I'm hoping that these are good today, because I'm reviewing it based on what I'm eating now, not what I've had in the past. So hopefully these are good. And comes in a brown paper bag, like they always have, at least while I've been eating. They look good. There you go. That's a good shot. So anyway, let's review these French fries, shall we? You know, when I was a kid in elementary school, I remember we took we went on a field trip to Texas Hot, and we went into the back of the restaurant to see how things were made and whatnot. I'm surprised I still remember that. I don't know if they still do that or not. But I remember watching them make their French fries. I had never seen how French fries were made. Obviously I know now, but that was pretty cool. These have like the perfect amount of salt on them today. Good job, Texas Hot. And they're always in there working so hard. They've got a lot of people order from there, even during this whole virus thing. They're good people. Great restaurant. Man, yeah, these are really good. So let's give them a score. My first score for a restaurant, non-fast food restaurant, for French fries. And they're very good French fries. But not the best I've ever had, but they're still really good. These okay, I've got a score. Good amount of salt. Let's get a good another, that's what they look like. They also have like sweet potato fries. I might review those as well. They're a good fry. .6. Now, I say that because it's still a very good score. They're not the greatest I've ever had. Got to have room for food that is better, I guess. But this is still great. I mean, I'd still eat this over a lot of other fries, especially fast food. I mean, I like fast food fries, but you can't beat this, really. Restaurants are I think they take more pride, I guess, in making their food. So I appreciate that. And if not, it's still really good. So that's the score. I would still recommend it to anybody. Get a Texas hot and fries when you go there. Yeah. But that's it. I appreciate everyone for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, I also post on Facebook. I'm making these for YouTube, but I'm posting them on Facebook as well. So everything that I say is based around YouTube. Like if you're new to the channel, subscribe. That's YouTube related, not Facebook, because you can't subscribe to Facebook. So I mean, on Facebook you can follow the page if you want, but I'm making this more for YouTube. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me build subscribers, obviously. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I don't know. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.